Hi everyone, this is Soumya and this is my first attempt at a video on YouTube. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I did making it. It was my birthday recently and I thought why not do a get ready with me video as my first video here. It's a dramatic look and I had to do this very quickly. So try and overlook the lazy blending. I'm doing this using Olens, which is a Korean brand. I found this brand through Instagram and is so far the best one I've tried. First, I prime my eyes using NYX Pigment Primer. It has a thick gluey consistency which makes it really good for loose eyeshadows and is also best for the price. These funny masking tapes really help me speed up the process. They are harsh, so if you have a sensitive skin, use normal tape or invest in a more beauty-friendly tape if possible. And now I'm using fluffy brush specifically for crease and starting to build colors from light to dark. This primer picks strong colors almost instantly. Even the lightest color should be built with a light hand. You can go back and blend better. Palette that I used is from Beauty Glazed, which appears to be the dupe of James Charles palette. Color payoff is nice, but the shades must definitely differ from its original palette. While picking the colors, go ever so slightly because lots of debris and fallout within the palette, which no one likes to be honest, but this is what I can afford. Shaking off the extra pigment from the brush, since this is a dark shade, no matter how much hurry I'm in, I can't afford to look like a panda on my special day. This is the most dreaded step as this primer really sets the pigments with the least of the pressure. So again, go ever so slightly on your eyes, whatever color you pick, and continue blending it. Blending can be a tedious job, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I didn't do it. Not in this video because I was in a hurry. Continue blending, being wary of not using a clean brush which might pick up the pigments completely from your eyelid. Pick a previously used brush, one used previously for lighter pigments. To make the look catty and a bit more dramatic, I went darker. #feeling adventurous. Next step fixes even the worst of blending jobs, applying NYX primer as if doing a semi-cut crease. Here I'm using NYX glitter in Rose, applying it on the inner 1/3 of eyelid. As you can see, it takes a whole look to a different level. Exactly what I needed. Now I will apply the lens, Russian Silver O-Lens. Feels super lightweight and very natural at the edges as compared to the other lenses. Starting to feel a completely different version of myself by now, and it's not the overacting, trust me. Going ahead with the NYX Beige Concealer, it's a lighter shade than I should be using. Set it using translucent powder which works just as fine as any setting powder. Applying lots of shadow under the lower lash to make me look like the devil I am. Okay, I went a little too far. I usually need a pullers to make me stop. I can keep painting myself for hours and end up looking like a Dracula and still love it. Not going for perfection, so you can really skip watching me make a fool of myself here. Apply kohl, slightly smudge the edges, covering all my pores with Benefits Pore Primer. Next, I'm using Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Estee Lauder Double Wear series has high coverage and goes on easily with either a brush or blending sponge. So I'll be mixing Estee Lauder Serum, Night Repair Serum, and Estee Lauder Foundation. I did not even use concealer on my marks and it's working wonders alone. So you can see the power of this one. Really blend it out, be gentle, unlike me trying to stab my skin with the unwashed brush. Further, I went ahead with a beauty blender since I applied too much product. Isn't this video becoming a series of disasters that I've done? Please bear with me. Now I'm using LA Girl Pro Contour Powder. Never has a dark face been this annoying, but gotta do what you gotta do. Next I'm using L'Oreal Lucent Magic Blush. Never extend blush below the tip of the nose. But I might have just did it, guys. That's okay. It's my birthday. Now for the best part of the video, I'm using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Highlighter. I'm using highlighter in soft and gentle shade to add more dimension, and I could totally blind the viewer with this. Basically, I like to blind myself with this, shine myself with okay. Then to make this look even more dramatic, we need to add the lashes. I'm using Lash Pack M75 and the lash glue, Duo Lash Glue. It's in black shade. That's the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video.